Hi, this is Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-892-9676. We've got a brand new 2023 Harris Cruiser. This is the 210 model, 21 feet. Reclining captain chair, armrests, flush mounted Simrad in the dash, wireless charging, jail audio system. Has the large bimini top, more cup holders in the bow area with charging ports, side door entry. Let's take a look at the outside. This is in the matte black finish, very attractive. Also has the black powder coated fencing. Come by MarineMax Lake Norman. Take a look at this Harris Cruiser or any of the others that we have in stock.